Open Inkscape. Go to File, Import, select the image, open, keep the default settings, click on OK. Resize the image by holding Shift and Ctrl. Move the image. Select the circle true. Make sure you have selected the black color. Hold Shift and Ctrl to get a perfect circle. Go to View, Custom. Select the Align and Distribute objects. This is Align and Distribute panel. Select the image and the circle. Align them vertically. Select the circle. Increase its size. Align top edges. Increase the size of the circle. Select them and go to Clip, Set. We have cropped the image. Drag it to the center. Now we have to draw another circle. Select the circle and the image. Center them on vertical axis and horizontal axis. Select the circle. Click on the None. Hold Shift and click on the black color to get a border. Go to Fill and Stroke. Go to Stroke Style. Change its width to 15 pixels. Increase the size. Select both and group them together. Now let's write some text. While increasing the size, hold Shift and Ctrl. Write some number and hit Enter. Select the text and align them on center. Now select the number and change its color. Let's make it red. Select it and duplicate by Ctrl D. Select the three objects and which centers equally on horizontal. Select them and group them together. Select the upper two text and group them together. Now we have to select all these three and align them on vertical axis. We can increase the size by holding Shift Ctrl. Let's put some background. To remove the border, hold Shift and click on None. Let's change its color to 60% gray. Lower it. Drag it down to increase its size. Hold Shift Ctrl and drag it. Select the inner three elements and group them together. Let's change the color. Select the main content and the background and align them on vertical and horizontal axis. Increase the size as required. Duplicate it and push it below. Increase its size. We have to increase the blur. Make the blur 25 and opacity to 30. Now we can have the shadow. So let us add the small triangle below. Select the polygon tool, make sure you are on a polygon. Then change the corners to 3. Draw a triangle by holding Ctrl. Rotate the triangle by holding Ctrl. Take the triangle and put it below the background image. Align them on vertical axis. Start the snap to path intersection. Drag the triangle above. It should snap automatically. By holding Ctrl, you can reduce it properly. Hold the Ctrl in the background, go to Path, Union. Now let's draw a small ellipse to make the shadow. You can also increase its blur and opacity. Let's align them on vertical axis. Increase its blur to 25. Make sure you select the black color. Make the background white so it looks good. We can hide the border from this document properties. If you want, you can reduce the size of the image. Double click to go in a group. Let me align them properly. Let's now make the background. Make sure the background image you create is not in any group. Now the background is back. So we have created the social UI widget pop-up. Let me finish it properly.